Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Security section. Then scroll down again, click on Emergency SOS and select Emergency Contacts. Now click on Add Emergency Contacts and tap on one of your numbers that you wish to add. If you wish to notify your contact right away that it was added to emergency list, tap on OK in the pop-up. If you don't, just click on Cancel. You can do exactly the same from 3 numbers. If you wish to delete one of them, click on this little icon at the top right corner and select X next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Then confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!